the results. Okay,
Yeah.
results.
For body detail?
I need to pass that parameter in this page. CTR equals skew, and I think it's already been URLized, if that's a word. T search params. Okay, so let's test that out here. This is one, I would say, con. There's pros and cons of developing within one single page, which we're doing with this index.dna. The pro is that it just keeps everything flowing. You don't end up with a bunch of files on your hard drive and that sort of thing. The con is that sometimes you can get these long URLs in your page. So,
you know, a way to think of it is you could split this functionality up across a bunch of pages, but each page then would have to have, you know, like the background graphics and the navigation. So you got some redundant code there. By keeping it all on one page, you don't have that problem, but then you do have to control what you want to show and hide. So you have to attach name-value pairs to the URLs in order to switch things on and off on the one page. So you can code whichever way you're most comfortable doing.
Right. There's no reason you have to use one single page. It's just something that I like doing personally with at least a portion of the pages. So I'm going to add another product here, this Brighton mauve stripe. And we didn't get an error that time, so took care of that. That error was coming in we were specifying the page results. So up here, CTR underscore page equals results. We had the category, and the keywords were something that we didn't require because we didn't get there by keywords. We had a skew, but we didn't have this search params. So what happens is when you get rid of that stuff, okay, well we're landing on the results page, and the reason why we don't get an error now is because I hid that search context.
Mm-hmm.
So that's just a safety feature. If somebody lands on this page somehow without all the required parameters, then it'll still look nice at least. Mm-hmm. So, okay. So let's identify this. I mean, it looks like a bunch of random numbers.
Yeah.
So.
In fact, you probably don't have to show the cart right there, and we could just have some visual indication that there's something in your cart. Click here to view it,
right.
And then that would take us to a show cart page.
I mean, something simple as your cart. And if we wanted to only show this your cart thing, if there was something in the cart, we could do something like this.
Num line items is very similar to num found inside of a search context.
Yep. So, and
you could even make it simpler than that. Just say your cart.
And what I like to do instead of a skew, this is a good time to introduce lookup. Have we done a lookup tag yet?
I don't believe so.
Let's do a lookup tag. Since we have skew here, that's something that's available in the products database. What's also available in the products database is an image. So instead of skew, let's actually put a little image there. People can quickly see what they have in their cart. So look up database equals admin products.db and look in field equals SKU and value equals SKU and return field equals, what was that called? Photo name or something? Photo name. I'm good.
You're good.
So equals photo name. And you can also put and not found equals SKU. That way, if for some reason, if an image
is missing.
Well, we'd have to do a couple other things to check if it was missing, but for some reason, if there was an error, it'd still show whatever value there is in the SKU field there. But if we're not able to find the SKU within the line items, then there's a bigger problem than we need to worry about right now.
It could happen in a situation where, for example, the product catalog gets updated in the middle of the point where somebody's shopping. You know, maybe a product is being taken down from the site and somebody's got one in a cart. So I guess that those possibilities can occur. So
just quickly go over what we're doing here. The lookup is a little different than a search. It's case sensitive. It's faster because you're looking for one specific record. So lookup, the first parameter is database equals products.db, specifying the database, and then look in field. We're going to look in this in the SKU column, and value. This is the value we're trying to match here, and return field. This is the field name that we want to grab. And just to show you what this looks like, I'll do a save.
I think we have to do an image. So, oh, you're just going to show the name of the
Just to show you what it looks like. So it's calling the image name right there. So now that we have that, we can make use of it. Let's go to starting. Just drop that in a HTML image tag equals, and wasn't it P images or something?
src equals.
Oh, yeah, source equals P images.
Oh God,
I can't remember.
P images, I think it is.
Okay, we'll try it.
I'm not sure.
And, well, let's also specify a size here. Make a nice small one. We'll try images. See if that works. Hey, okay. So now it's all weirdly left justified. So let's put a little formatting in there quickly, just so it looks a little bit better. And again, we could hide this whole thing if let's do that. Let's grab this. What I'm thinking here is I want to hide this whole table if there isn't any items in the cart. We have to do the end. Show up here. So, alright, so let's do